Oh, kids.
Kids, quiet.
Teacher.
Gentlemen, quiet. Okay, quiet. Okay, we're Aris and Gay team. I'm Aris and she's Gay. Okay. You know
Para
what?
ano lang, Rupa and I.
Aris and Gay team produce a new, the name of our company is Battle for All Seasons. Okay. Battle for All Seasons. And guess what? We do have a new invention called Star Mug. Okay. Star Mug is, by the way, I'm Aris, the CEO, and she's Gay, the marketing strategist, and my
Yes, you got that. She's good.
And Gay will provide you.
Free Starbucks.
No. This is a bottle. Well, this. Okay. Yes. Okay. This bottle. What does it make us? I mean, what is this?
This bottle. Yeah, you're right. It's a tumbler.
Actually, not just a tumbler.
Yeah.
It's a Star Mug.
Yeah.
Star
It's
Mugs.
just a tumbler. Why? Because this tumbler, just imagine that there's a cord here. This is a rechargeable tumbler. Okay? This tumbler can make your drinks hot or cold. So, in short, this is a portable tumbler that could make any drinks hot or cold. Imagine there's an indicator, a light indicator, that when you plug into the socket, when it goes red, it means it's hot. When it goes in green, it means it's cold. There's also an indication or a digital thermometer saying the temperature of the hotness or coldness of the content of the tumbler. So you can bring this anywhere. Say for example, you went to Boracay and you would like to take a sip of hot coffee, so you can plug in the connector to the socket. And by the way, this is rechargeable, so you can actually recharge the battery for 4 hours. It will last for 4 hours. After 4 hours, you can recharge it. This is we're offering this for an introductory price of 1,000, but if you buy with us within the next 30 minutes, we'll slash 300 off from the price, so it makes 700. And that's not just it. You can also personalize the tumbler. You can create your own design, and we will make it for you. You can also upgrade the size. This is the regular size.
Yes. And it's also glow in the dark. And so you want to try it. It's not expensive. And it has some features though, like it's battery operated, and you can. I think it's also classy. It's also fashionable.
I think.
Yeah, I think so. I love that.
Yes, of course, it's fashionable. And for the discount of we will. Since you know what, you're so very fortunate because we just closed a deal from Starbucks. If you're going to buy for this one, if you're going to purchase any Starbucks, you will have an additional or discounted price for any Starbucks coffee. So,
Really?
Yes, really.
Wow, that's great.
Yeah, thank you.
Sounds good.
Yes,
Tastes even
and
better.
We have some freebies for you. We have some freebies. If you're going to look under your chair and you will find some numbers, number 1 to 10. Yeah. Give the ticket to us and we're going to provide you freebies.
Okay!
Okay. Thanks.
Thank you.